I'm Teresa, owner of Teresa. Welcome to our channel. In this week's video, we'll talk new projects, our sale event happening today, 2 upcoming quilt classes, and new arrivals. So if you'd like to, hit the subscribe button and bell icon to be notified of all of our videos. First, let me tell you what I've been up to. I made this sweater. It's not done. I still have to finish the sleeves, but I kind of like how it is right now. But it's the ranunculus sweater. I forget the designer name, but I bet Carrie can put that in for me later. Anyway, little yoke action here. They're going to be small little sleeves, and I'm very excited. It's a linen cotton blend and super comfortable. I got the yarn at the Tangled Ball in Edgewater, and I'm almost done. I'm excited. But I had to wear it for you guys today because last week I wanted to show you, but I'd forgotten it at home. And Carrie stuck in a picture from like a week or 2 ago with Diesel, my cat, wearing it as a little ruff. He's the cutest. It looked really good on him too. So at the shop, we have been busy. We did need to reschedule our Karen Gibbs event. She is coming to do a great talk about batiks. We're going to have her newest project with the pressed leaf fabric, and that's going to be awesome to see, and we're going to get to pre-order it. However, we did need to move it, so instead of tomorrow night, it's going to be now on Friday, September 6th. So we've got a little time to plan for it. It is up on our website. We did just change the date, so you can sign up now. And then next, all of the May Chappell events are live on our website. So we'll link them all below. We also wanted to mention that we do highly recommend attending her workshops. But if you have to work during the day or it just feels a little pricey, she's doing a trunk show on Sunday, August 11th at 5, or did we say 6? I think it might have been. It's in the evening. It should say on the website. She's doing a lecture on color, and she's showing off her work. Not showing off. She's showing her work, and she does amazing work. So come see her stuff. Come meet her. She's awesome, and her talk on color is going to be great. So come see that. And we wanted to offer workshops and a trunk show so that everyone had the chance to come learn from her and hear her speak. And talking about cost, we did set up a payment option. So if you wanted to attend the whole weekend, you can pay half now, and then the other half would be automatically charged on August 4th. So that's if you're signing up for the whole weekend. And please let us know if you have any questions. We'll put all the links in the description box, but also please don't hesitate to comment with questions, email us, call us. We're happy to help you out with that. Also, just a reminder, we have a class calendar on our website with all of our classes and events listed. Take a look at that because we try to fill it with classes that you would all enjoy, and we love hosting classes. And I have a lot of people come in and say, oh, I see this class is happening right now. I didn't know about it. When are you doing the next one? And it's not often, very soon. So do check it out because we're always doing something fun. Okay, we're having a sale that's happening right now in honor of my birthday. So it's Friday only, right? Friday only. 25% off kits, pre-cuts, and batiks, and 50% off select Tula Pink and our overstock fabric. There are 2 coupon codes. We couldn't do it with one the way our system works, so sorry about that. But you can use more than one code. So if you get some of the things that are 25 off and some of the things that are 50 off, just put in both codes, and our system is supposed to take both codes. So you should get the right amount off of everything. And the sale does end at midnight tonight. So if you are interested in any of those things, grab them today. And I did want to highlight some of the things that are on sale. Okay, so here are some of the fabrics that we have in our overstock sale. There are no ugly fabrics. They're all amazing. This is a Rifle Paper Company canvas, and it is gorgeous. But I think we just ordered too many bolts of it. So this will be half off. We have some vintage Anna Maria Horner wovens. This is one of them that will be on the sale. Whoops, let's see. Yeah. So it's in plastic right now, but it's one of her wovens. She did a bunch of really fun garments out of this fabric, and you can put it on quilts too. It's just really soft and lovely. So I'm going to get my cut before it goes live. because I must have some. And then this is a Denise Schmidt cheater print. This is from the collection Darling. Again, I think, we probably just ordered too many bolts, and it's great. This would be perfect for a quilted jacket, for a quilt back. It could even be a great baby quilt that you don't have to piece. You just quilt it to look like it's pieced. Cute stuff. Love Denise's stuff. And here is some art gallery. Let's see, you can see through the plastic, right? Kinda. There we go, yeah. Love all the art gallery stuff, but we got too much of this one. So half off of this fabric. Okay. Oh, thank you. And then this is a kit. So it is 25% off. And it makes the quilt that's right behind us that you can't see. Let's see, here's a picture. It's flannels. It's the Holiday Homies by Tula. And it's all flannel, and we have it hanging here. It is the softest flannel quilt I have ever felt. This flannel is just yummy. So come in and check it out, and it's on sale today, 25% off. And then we have another kit here. This is to make a square and a square quilt, and it has the panel that you need, and then yeah, I guess you can see the fabrics around it too, right? And then we have all those fabrics to go around it to make the square and a square. And I have made this one, and by made this one, I mean I've made all the blocks, or the insides of the blocks. If you are going to starch or spray with water or steam or whatever, make sure that you do that before you cut out the squares from the panel. I was kind of curious to see what would happen if I sprayed it afterwards, and it shrinks more in one direction than the other. I think, most fabric does, most panels do, they shrink more in the length. But I was just kind of curious, how much would this shrink? I did have to cut all my blocks down a little bit after I sprayed them because they shrank in the one direction. Not that you needed to know that, I just thought it was pretty funny. It was on this quilt that I had that experience. Thank you. And then we have some more kits here. We have a couple kits left from when Natalie from So Hungry Hippie was here. This is for her quilted soft vinyl project pouch. And I think we have more than one colorway available in this. This is like the iridescent white soft vinyl, which I don't know if you can really see in the camera. And then we have some of these curio cases, which are so cute, little round bags. We have some kits that we made of these too. This is, I think, the gunmetal soft vinyl with the fun rainbowy stuff. So all kits, 25% off. It's a great time to get it. And pre-cuts. Here is a fun fat quarter bundle from Cafe. This is the Cafe Collective. This was actually February of last year, the dark version. So these are the colors in here. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then some of the stuff that's 50% off besides the overstock is Tula Pink Curiouser and Curiouser, right, is what it was called. That is 50% off. We just ordered too much of it, and it was right when we moved, and so we're going to give you guys a great deal on that one. And then the Holiday Homies Flannel in yardage is also 50% off. So 2 great Tula lines that you can get for a steal. All right, let's talk quilt classes. We've had so many requests for classes for quilting. We have 2 coming up. The log cabin quilt. Okay, so Lori is teaching the scrap bag log cabin. I think that's what it's called. And that one's coming up on July 28th. Lori does recommend this book, but you don't have to get it. But we did bring a few of these in so that you could have it if you'd like it. It's only $8.50 for the book, and there's a lot of great info in here about log cabins. So that class is July 28th. Is that a 2-part class, or is that a 1-part? It's just 1 part? Okay, so it's all on July 28th. And it's designed to help you use up your scraps, but of course you can use new fabric too. You can, bring in scraps. You might have to get, some yardage if you want all your little squares to be the same on the inside. I believe you can use jelly rolls too with that one. Again, you'd need a different fabric though for the center squares. And, or just buy new stuff. And then the other quilt class we have coming up is taught by Betsy, and it's the Rainbow Road quilt by Annabelle Wrigley. And Wyndham had put together this. I don't know who picked the colors on this, but Wyndham had put this together as a different colorway to do her quilt in. And this is the one that's pictured here. This is the colorway that this quilt is in. You've probably seen it here. It's hanging by our main register. And we have it all kitted up and ready to go. The colors are so cool. I'm probably going to take that class, or at least get the kit. And if you buy it today, 25% off for the kit. That one is a 2-part class, and the first class is July 30th. And the other one is almost a month later in August, so you have some time to do your homework. And it will be foundation paper piecing for these guys and these guys. And then the second class is going to be more on the curved piecing, so a little more traditional piecing as well, for it to put all the curves together. So links for the classes are below, and please feel free to ask us questions. All right, now we can show you guys some new arrivals. Okay, first one here is a canvas by Rashida Coleman Hale. It's a Ruby Star. It's a canvas. Did I say that already? With a nice navy background and some fun colors on it. That is a pretty one. And another canvas. This one is, oh, it's probably one of the Sevenberry, maybe. Anyway, it's Robert Kaufman. Yeah. Oh, it is? Oh, yeah, it's Sevenberry. There we go. So a lot of pretty colors in this. It's on like a natural cotton flax sort of background color, and then some fun pops of color on top of that. And, oh, is this the new Essex wide backing? No, this is Brussels. This must be one of the new colors they came out with. So Brussels washer is this great fabric. It's a blend of linen and rayon. So it has the look, the kind of rustic look of linen, but it's drapier because of the rayon. And the percentages, 55% linen, 45% rayon blend. So this is one of the new colors is a mustard. Does it look good on me? Maybe not bright enough. I don't know. I like it though. Okay, so here are a couple of fabrics from Blank. And this is called Slopeside. Skiing. Nobody in Colorado likes skiing, right? Oh, and not horseshoes. Snowshoes. Cute. I got a little stuck just like looking at the fabric for a while there. And little skiers. Is this the same collection? It is. Slopeside. Cute little skiers. All right. Oh yes, and the pickleball collection. Anybody play pickleball? And this is by P&B, and it's called Pickleball. It got cut off. Pickleball Champ. Pickleball Champ.
We might have shown that before, but I can't remember.
It's worth showing again. I think we have a lot of pickleball people. Mm-hmm. And then some from the same collection. It just says pickleball. This would be great for, oh, this is a big thread right in the middle. This would be great for binding or just like a little accent or something on your pickleball bag that you made. Anybody made the Courtside by Annie? I have almost finished one. And then some more fun pickleball fabric. I kind of want to know what a lot of these things mean. My parents play pickleball. Betsy here plays. Lori's playing now. I want to know, what does dink mean? All right. I mean, it kind of sounds like a noise that a ball would make. So you dink the ball, maybe? I don't know. This is cute. Who's this by? ABCs of Color by Jennifer Hainan from In the Beginning. Look at how cute that is. That's a good alphabet-y fabric. Ooh, that's fun. What's this one called? Oh, it's the same one, ABCs of Color. I love all the colors in there. And all the cute little creatures and things.
This one too.
Ooh, same one? Mm-hmm. Same collection. Those are good colors too. I love that little pop of aqua in there. All right. Ooh, is this more Brussels washer? It is, in poppy. That's a good color. That would be a good color on me, right? And this is Basic Canvas. 8-ounce in surf blue. Oh, from Katya. Yeah, Katya, Northcott started repping the Katya fabrics here in the States. I know that brand more from yarn, so the Katia. So those of you who are yarn people, you might know the name. But we have some fabrics by them now. And this is just this nice, I don't know, it's a little brighter in person than it's looking on my screen, but it is a pretty soft muted color.
This would be nice as a jacket.
A jacket, yeah. Oh, is this the same stuff? Just, oh, where's the label? Where's the label? Yep, same thing, but in ocean. So this is another blue, kind of a medium, not quite Delft blue. I don't know what you'd call that. It's a good blue. I like it. So that's some of the new stuff that we got in. There's a ton more. We just can't show all of it or we'd be here forever. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of our future videos. And everything I mentioned is linked down below, and have a great weekend.